Are you an international student eager to earn some extra money while studying on campus? Well, we've got great news for you. With Aramark, one of the largest employers on campus, you can now explore numerous job opportunities. Please note that as an international student, you can legally only work on campus for no more than 20 hours per week. Now let's get back to the point. First, head over to aramark.com and click on Careers in the top right corner. His will navigate you to a page that prompts you for your zip code. Enter 71270 there and click Go. Here, you'll find a variety of job opportunities available on campus. From cafeteria staff to event assistants, there's something for everyone. Once you've found a job that interests you, simply click on it to apply. Fill out the necessary information and submit your application. If you're selected for an interview, expect a phone call from Aramark. There's no need to visit their office for follow-ups. And that's it. With Aramark, international students like you can easily find on-campus employment opportunities and earn some extra income while studying.